Hello there, friends. Happy Thursday to you. Thursday. We do love our Thursdays around here. I hope that today has been an excellent day for you. We are ending the month of April. Kind of hard to believe, isn't it? I have... this is kind of a story, but I got a package from Miss S yesterday, and it was so chock full of beautiful papers that it did a couple things. I looked at her paper and I thought, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I don't have a lot of paper pads and stuff like that, just because, y'all, I have all these books, and this is, that's basically what I use for paper. But her package came and it was like, oh gosh, I remember that I have this paper pad that I have not even cracked open. So, thanks, Miss S, for your inspiration. You'll see some things that were in your box in these, but I particularly wanted to say thank you for jogging my rather slow and foggy memory of late, that I had some things that we could use to make journals. I am calling these smashbooks. Now, let me tell you why I'm calling them smashbooks. To me, a flow journal should have playthings in it. These books are fairly simple, friends, and you can see when I take you through these that they basically are made up of pockets and papers. And, we do have hairy paper clips because, hey, what's a book without a hairy paper clip? And we do have these beautiful, lovely beaded spines, and I custom made the cover for each one too. But anyway, I have been curious about Smashbooks. I saw an old Jenny Belly video about Smashbooks, and I thought, well, that's, it's very interesting, and I think that I came to the journal game maybe after Smashbooks had kind of had their day. But I think that it would be super cool to revive Smashbooks. And I know that Miss Leanne said something about this not long ago, that Smashbooks were kind of coming back into fashion. Now, a Smashbook is a journal in which you can write, draw, paint, glue, embellish, and store your memorabilia. And I thought, yeah, that's exactly what these books are for. So let me take you through them, and each one is different. They were so much fun to do. I just had a great time making them, and of course I want to make more, and now that Miss S has sent me some paper, I will do more like in our traditional kind of wrapped binding. This is a cracker box, a reimagined cracker box. So I'll be doing more like this, but I also want to do ring-bound smashbooks. I think that would be a lot of fun too. I did watch a video from a lady who made smashbooks, and she used a what is that thing, y'all? It's a coil. Oh shoot! I had one, Bind It All. Yeah, she used to Bind It All, but I don't have one. I did have one. I couldn't figure that sucker out. It gave me a headache, so I decided that the next little batch of journals that I make, I am going to make ring-bound smashbooks, and we're just going to call these smashbooks. This one says "Make Your Own Magic," and these are tags that I have constructed and sewn right here. They are not sewn to the book. They are double stick taped onto the book. I really love this bead strand. I had forgotten how super happy a bead strand makes me, so I was just really tickled to put together a bead strand, and I had forgotten how super happy hairy paper clips make me, so I make hairy paper clips. So just happy all the way around. And we are all about the joy these days. We are focused on joy in every sector of what's going on, and we are just joyful about so much, my friends. Just so much to be joyful about. Even in your sorrow, you can be joyful. So this one is called Make Your Own Magic. Now let me take you through here. I love these buttons, my friends. These buttons are vintage made in Japan buttons, and I just thought they were super cool. So I just punched a hole with my crocodile and secured those in with a bit of embroidery floss. The fronts of these books are kind of plain, but you know, this is a great place to start with your Smashbook journey. You know, if you want to smash in some photos or tickets or recipes or notes or travel memorabilia or whatever. So this is what they look like. Each one has 8 pockets and just really pretty papers that you can write on, papers that you can draw on. They are thick papers, so you know they would take a good you know, maybe some markers or things like that. Always experiment though, you guys. You know, I would always experiment on something like that before I kind of launched into a project, right? This one does have a sewn pocket. They don't all have sewn pockets. That was just kind of, I was experimenting with this as well. And this little pocket says the sky is the limit. These have definitely a celestial crystal vibe to them. The paper pad was just astoundingly beautiful and very inspiring. So we have a pocket here, more papers here. These would be perfect to pull out, and you know that's the beauty of a wrap binding, is you can pull things out and play with them and then reinsert them back into your journal. So that's what that looks like. This particular paper pad had a bit of astrology kind of stuff in it, which I thought was really cool. They're all different. All got different things in them. Little bookmarks for you to play with. I really love this crystal pattern that's going on in some of the pages. Okay, so that is, we'll call that one Make Your Own Magic, since it's right there, evident on the cover. These Smashbooks are $30, and they're going to cost about $8 to mail. I am using the that priority mail thing because the envelopes that I can get at the pound shop, I just don't think that this is a rather big spine. Oh, we didn't measure the book. We got to measure the book. Hold on. Caller, hold please. These books are, they are 5 3/4 by 7 1/4. And I think that it's just a nice chunky size, y'all. Okay, so bead strand over here. Isn't that pretty? We're going to call this one Night Sky. I love the silhouette of the trees and the way the stars are in the background. So we'll call this one Night Sky. And I'll stick that in there. And 8 hairy paper clips for you to play with. Let's take a look inside. Got lots of papers. Love these colors. I am into the bright, bright, bright colors. And there's a pocket right here. I'll just put the title of that into there. Your fate is in your hands. That's kind of a strong statement. But your fate really is in your hands. You choose to think negatively or think positively. My beautiful, beautiful art angel sent me a card that said, what am I choosing to give my attention to? Which is a bit of Abraham. And that's powerful. What are you choosing to give your attention to? You know, today I am choosing to give my attention to joy. I'm putting one foot in front of the other. I think that is very positive. That is good grief. That is not debilitating grief. That is good stuff. Don't you love that? Shiny and pretty. Beautiful papers. These do have this, look at that. Isn't that a cool tag? It's got a unicorn on it. And we did the typical stretchy string binding, which just works really good, really well. This one, what shall we call this one? It's so pretty. It's got like a charm. Let's call this one Charmed, because it looks like these are charms that are, the crystals are kind of hung like charms, hanging down from some bunting or something right here. So let's take let me show you the beads. Beads are so pretty. And hairy paper clips up here. I love the color, just the purple with, you know, these kind of subtle blues and greens just really worked well. I love this little moth. Isn't that pretty? Just the paper made me so happy today. And there we go. Like I said, this is nice hefty paper. And I love the idea of a smash book. I like that idea. I love the, you know, the idea of just pasting some things in and not being, you know, not being fussed about it or complicated with it. I had, my art angel sent me a scrapbook, and it was from 1923, and it was the most non-fussy scrapbook I've ever seen. It was, you know, photographs of birthday parties, and they were just kind of glued into the book, and, you know, we didn't worry about, you know, were they going to last forever. It was an act of joy to put, you know, to smash something into a book. I don't know where, oh, Smash, the Smashbook is actually K and Company. So they were kind of the creators of those first Smash books. All right, I've got one more. And we'll call this one A Crystal in the Hand. Love that. So if you are into crystals, or if you're studying crystals, these would be awesome books for y'all. And I'll show you the bead strand. Very pretty. And of course we got our paper clips going on up here. I'll take a look at this one. This one says the sky is the limit. So it's your book. You make it into what you want. And that's kind of the beauty of that smash book sort of technique and project. Be fun to use something like this for a travel smash book. And that's that one. All right, you guys. So we've got 4 smash books going in the shop. I will be making more of these. I love the idea of kind of revisiting my crafty things that I have done in the past, especially right now, because like I said, sometimes my brain is a little foggy, and it was just a pleasure to kind of reacquaint myself and hopefully you guys with these flow-ish smash books. Thanks so much, y'all. Have a great Thursday. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.